Hello all, in this video I will show you how to learn SolidWorks software for free. A lot of people are not aware of the fact that there are tutorials available in the SolidWorks software itself. You don't have to purchase a premium subscription in some websites, you don't have to pay anyone to learn the software. You can do it by yourself in the software itself. After you open the software, this is what you usually see. Go to Resources tab, which is here, and go to Welcome to SolidWorks. A pop-up will show, and under Learn tab you can have access to the material. This is basically the study material introducing SolidWorks, and then we have tutorials, which is step-by-step interactive instruction. So click on Introducing SolidWorks and that will open a PDF file. In this PDF file you can have access to all the SolidWorks fundamentals, like about 3D designs and stuff, about the features available in the software, and then under parts you can learn about creating a part, and then under assemblies you can learn about assemblies and different kinds of mates and etc. In drawings you can see how to use drawing sheet, how to import a design onto a drawing sheet, etc., and how to edit the sheet. And we also have step-by-step lessons here where you can learn how to create some specific parts. Here it is a box, and we have exercises too to practice later. Once we learn something about the software, we can practice these exercises. When you click on tutorials, you will see number of components here. There are different components here. Here the first one is Introduction to SolidWorks. This is basically a pressure plate where you will learn how to design a pressure plate. In this particular tutorial you will see how to use circular patterns, how to use extruded boss and base, how to hide lines, etc. And then we have AutoCAD and SolidWorks. In this you will learn about how to import drawings or 2D drawings from AutoCAD to SolidWorks. And then here is the first part, and then there is an assembly associated with that part, and then we have drawings. You will learn how to create a drawing out of a part or an assembly. And under basic techniques we have fillets, revolves and sweeps, pattern features, where you learn about circular pattern, linear pattern, etc., and then creating a loft, etc. And advanced techniques, it's all about multi-body parts, design, advanced drawings, equations, adding equations to the design. We also have design evaluation, where it is more or less like simulation, and then productivity tools, which discusses mouse gestures. And we also have simulation tutorials here. You can have access to all these simulation tutorials where design studies, motion, static analysis, etc. is being discussed. This way you can have access to step-by-step tutorial in SolidWorks software, and you can practice everything by yourself properly. That's all for today. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.